you know got hit like this? Who you know? I wait. Tell me.
Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'll be just jumping straight into it. I'll be showing you how I accomplish a butterfly lock, so enjoy. So for the hair, I use 2 packets of Darling Passion Twist fiber and 1 packet of this kinky hair fiber. I use the kinky hair fiber to bring more texture to the hair because the Passion Twist fiber is a bit silky. Before I start wrapping the hair, I first section out the hair. So here I'm just sectioning out the hair. I'm going to section out the entire hair, the entire head before I actually start twisting my lock. So to create my butterfly lock, I start off with a strand of Passion Twist curly hair. I pull it through this little section braid, and then I start wrapping the hair around this braid. I wrap it tight towards the root so that it's more secure, it doesn't slip and expose the hair underneath. So I wrap it about 3 to 4 times tight, and then I loosen my grip on it, and then I just wind the hair downwards, and then I play with it. I put my thumb, like as you see, underneath the hair, and then I wrap it around to create bubbles and make it messy, distress, butterfly like. So I just freely wrap the hair around and also add in some molly hair, like here, to, like I mentioned earlier, to give this lock a bit texture, because I don't know if you could see, the Passion Twist hair is a bit silky and it does the job, but I mean, I like my locks a bit rough, so I give it a little bit of texture with the molly hair. I mix it with my Passion Twist hair, and then I just wrap the hair around and around until I got my desired butterfly lock. You guys could just watch how I do it. I don't know how else I could explain it. I just freely wrap this hair around the other hair, put my thumb underneath the hair at times just to give it a little bubble, once in a while, like here again. And then after I wrap my hair, like after I put my thumb underneath the fiber and like make that bubble, I wrap, like you see, I wrap it around my thumb, and then I wrap it on top so that I tighten the bubble, and then I wrap it at the bottom so that I also tighten, so that the bubble doesn't like move around. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah, that's the little steez nyana. So here I show you guys again how I hook my hair onto this needle and pull it through my parting, my little braiding, the little section of the lock. After I pull the hair through this little section, I wrap it tight by the root so that it doesn't slip, it doesn't expose the hair underneath and show off your plaits, your little braid. So yeah, I wrap it about 2, 3, 4 times at times, and then I just wrap freely afterwards. Here I just want to show you guys how easy it is to add on hair after like your little strand is finishing. You literally put the hair and like attach it with the previous hair that you were wrapping, and then continue wrapping. Literally, you just carry on wrapping, and you don't see where you added the other hair, you know? So yeah, the key to this hairstyle is wrap. Wrap, honey, wrap. Okay, no, I'm playing. But yeah. And to end it off, once you find your desired length and now you still have the excess of hair, what you do is wrap upwards. Now you're just closing off your little lock and you're just gonna wrap the hair upwards. And then drum roll, please. And this is how it looks at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching till this point. Bye.